Hi and Assalamualaikum to my beloved lecturer Dr. Zuhaina binti Mustafa and my fellow friends. I'm Siti Safida binti Mahyudin, together with my friends Nurul Hafiza binti Safridin and Nordana binti Arazmi. We are going to present our topic, which is the importance and the challenges of work-life balance in the competitive business world. What is work-life balance? Work-life balance refers to an employee's capacity to manage their personal and professional obligation while yet finding enough time for relaxation and recreation. It also is a component of employee well-being. The introduction. People frequently perceive millennials as belonging to an entitled generation. This misconception initially emerged in the late 2000s and early 2010s as millennials started to enter the workforce. Actually, according to 2012 MTV survey conducted at the time, self-awareness among millennials is the most plausible cause. They understand that they are more than just their occupation. The objective of work-life balance, health and well-being, maintaining and giving priority to physical and mental well-being is one of the fundamental goals of work-life balance. It acknowledges that long hours, burnout and a host of other health problems can result from excessive work expectations. A balanced lifestyle allows people to devote time and resources to hobbies, physical activity, rest and preserving wholesome relationships. Next is increased productivity. A balanced attitude to work and personal life can actually improve output and effectiveness. People are more rested and productive when they have enough time for leisure, personal hobbies, and rest. Increased focus, creativity, and efficiency in finishing work and accomplishing life goals might result from this. Next is sustainable workforce. Workplace with the best work-life balance. Develop resilient and sustainable workforce. It promotes long-term job happiness, lowers absenteeism, and helps avoid burnout and attrition. Businesses can foster a work environment that appreciates sustainability and promotes work-life balance for employees by placing a high priority on work-life balance. Next is job satisfaction. The goal of work-life balance is to enable people to successfully manage their personal and professional responsibilities in order to increase a job satisfaction. People tend to feel more satisfied with their entire quality of life, including their employment, when they have time for their hobbies, family, friends, and other personal interests. Next is employee retention. Superb work-life balance increase a company's ability to draw in and keep bright workers. Employee loyalty and engagement increase when employers show a dedication to promoting their workers' personal well-being and flexibility. There is a positive correlation between employee morale and decreased turnover when they feel valued and appreciated. The last is build healthy relationship. Maintaining healthy connection outside of work is facilitated by work-life balance. Spending meaningful time with loved ones, family, and friends strengthens the relationship between them. This can provide social support, general contentment, and a sense of purpose in life.
Hi, my name is Nordana binti Arazmi. My ID number is 20198292128. I will present about problem statement. In today's competitive business world, achieving a healthy work-life balance has emerged as a critical concern for both employees and organizations. The dynamic nature of the modern workplace, characterized by technological advancement, global connectivity, and heightened performance expectations, has led to an increasing number of challenges related to maintaining a balance between professional responsibilities and personal well-being. This problem statement seeks to address the importance and challenges associated with work-life balance in the competitive business landscape. On the right is the point for importance of work-life balance. Number one is employee well-being. Maintaining a proper work-life balance is essential for physical, mental, and emotional well-being of employees. Prolonged period of overwork and stress can lead to burnout, decreased job satisfaction, and negatively impact overall health. Number two, productivity and performance. A well-balanced work-life environment contributes to enhance productivity and improve job performance. Employees who can effectively manage their professional and personal life are more likely to remain focused, engaged, and efficient during working hours. Number three is talent attractions and retentions. Organizations that prioritize work-life balance more attractive to top talent. Employees value employers who understands the importance of their personal life, leading to increased retention rate and a competitive edge in attracting skills professionals. Number 4 is employee morale and motivations. Achieving a balance between work and personal life foster a positive work culture, boosting employee morale and motivations. This in turn contributes to a more collaborations and innovative workplace. The left is challenges of work-life balance. Number 1 is technological intrusion. The proliferations of technology has blurred the boundaries between work and personal life, making it challenging for employees to disconnect from work outside of office hours. Number 2 is intense competitions. The pressure to stay competitive in the business world often leads to long working hours and increased workload, creating difficulties for employees to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Number 3 is globalizations and time zone differences. Companies operating on a global scale may face challenges in coordinating work across different time zones, potentially impacting the regular working hours of employees. Number 4 is lack of flexible work arrangements. Some organizations may struggle to implement flexible working arrangements, hindering employees' ability to balance professional and personal commitments effectively. Addressing these challenges and recognizing the importance of work-life balance is crucial for creating a sustainable and thriving work environments in the competitive business world. Organizations that proactively address these issues are better positioned to attract and retain top talent, foster innovations, and achieve long-term success. Methodology. To thoroughly investigate the importance and challenge of work-life balance in the competitive business world, a comprehensive research methodology will be employed. The study will utilize a mix of qualitative and quantitative research method to gather data and insight from both employees and organizations. The following steps outline the proposed methodology. Number 1 is literature review. Conduct a thorough review of existing literature, academic journals, and industry reports to understand the current state of knowledge regarding work-life balance, its importance, and challenge in the competitive business world. Number 2 is survey development. Develop a structured survey to collect quantitative data from a diverse sample of employees across different industries. The survey will include questions addressing working hours, job satisfaction, perceived stress level, and the impact of work-life balance on overall well-being. Number 3, organizational survey. Administer survey to organizations to collect data on the implementations of work-life balance policies, the perceived impact on employee performance, and challenges faced in maintaining such policies in a competitive business landscape. Number 4 is data analysis. Employ statistical tools for quantitative data analysis such as correlations analysis and regressions analysis to identify relationship between work-life balance, employee satisfaction, and organizational performance. Thematic analysis. Utilize thematic analysis for qualitative data to identify recurring themes, patterns, and insight from interviews and focus group. Integration of findings. Integrate the quantitative and qualitative findings to develop a comprehensive understanding of the importance and challenges of work-life balance in the competitive business world. By employing this mixed method approach, the research aims to provide a holistic and nuanced understanding of work-life balance issues in the competitive business world, offering valuable insight for individuals and organizations seeking to navigate and enhance the work-life balance landscape.
So now we're going to talk about implication or impact to the organization and the employee. Impact to organization. Number 1, increased level of absence, sickness, and stress. Stress, anxiety, and depression are now the top 3 most often cited causes of missed work due to illness. Firstly, it is important to look at the increased level absence, sickness, and stress. Why are absence, sickness, and stress level rising? Is stress confined to the workplace or it is more widespread? Despite an increased number of workplace health and well-being services being put in place, employees are experiencing increases mental health issue and the highest rate of sickness absence in a decade. Impact to organization number 1. Increased level of absence, sickness, and stress. Stress, anxiety, and depression are now the top 3 most often seen. Second impact of organization is low level of energy and motivation among employees. For an organization to operate well, employee motivation is essential. It is a degree of motivation, dedication, and vigor that an organization employees bring to their work each and every day. Companies that lack motivation suffer from lower output and productivity levels, as well as the higher likelihood of failing to meet those critical targets. However, motivating employees is not always easy. If necessary, business leads to must have watch over and foster this trait. Second impact of organization is low level of energy and motivation among employees. For an organization to operate well, employee motivation is essential. It is a degree of motivation. Impact to employee number 1 is productivity low. Workers with poor work-life balance are less productive than those with good work-life balance. Employees cannot concentrate or give their best work when they are unable to take breaks and rest. Increased job satisfaction and productivity can result from encouraging staff members to prioritize their well-being and take regular breaks from work. Impact to employee number 1 is productivity low. Workers with poor work-life balance are less productive than those with good work-life balance. Employees cannot concentrate or give their best work when they are unable to take breaks and rest. Increased job satisfaction and productivity can result from encouraging staff members to. Second is poor time management. Everyone who wants to be productive at work needs to have a good time management skills. Every employee must most valuable resource in time, and poor time management can have a detrimental effect on deadlines and work productions. The tendency of squandering time and failing to finish tasks is poor time management. Ineffective time management causes tasks to be planned and organized inefficiently. Second is poor time management. Everyone who wants to be productive at work needs to have a good time management skills. Every employee must most valuable resource in time, and poor time management can have a detrimental effect on deadlines and work productions. The recommendation: acknowledge that every worker is unique. There are employees who might be content with the way they balance their personal and professional life. Others can experience difficulties and believe that they still need to improve their work-life integrations. While some people work best when they start work early and complete it early, others work best when they start work late and finish it late. Some employees would really like a flexible work schedule, job sharing, or part-time work, but they are not sure how to tell their superiors. Second recommendation is prioritize productivity over extended workdays. While some tasks take longer than anticipated, others take less. A healthy work environment is one in which employees feel they don't need to work an 8-hour every day. If they are completed their tasks, will work overtime when needed. The culture at work is one of the achievement rather than clock watching. In conclusion, work-life balance must be prioritized if employee productivity and well-being are to be met. Employers may enhance job satisfactions, lower stress level, and recruit and retain top talent by providing a work-life balance supportive workplace.